for boardroom presentation, we can connect up to 4 laptops at the same time, and a person called the moderator can decide who wants to project at the same time using 4-layer configuration. Currently we only have 2 connected. So this is the layout for 2, this is the layout for 4, and this is the layout for 1, and this is the moderator of, I can shift between the person who wants to project, and now this is the projection. So now we will show one more feature where a laptop can also be controlled interactively directly from the screen. So this is the screen of my laptop. I am starting Excel. I can pull down a keyboard. So this is how you can work with laptops directly from the screen. So it is not only interactivity on the screen, but also from a laptop. Now we will go on to a mode called whiteboard mode. Now this is interactivity without a laptop. You can select what kind of whiteboard do you want. Do you want a plain white? Do you want a white with lines? I can select can be used to annotate anything. I can go back to a video. This is a computer, so I'm shifting between any media which is being displayed. I'm going back onto it. So now let us say I want to focus on this plant. I'm going to take this picture. I will move it onto whiteboard. So any presentation, any image that is being projected can be taken onto whiteboard and can be worked with. So now we have the whiteboard here. I'm cropping the picture. I want to annotate it. So I can take a picture from a running video, running presentation, either from a television or a media player or from a laptop, come here, annotate it. I can use this functionality to save it. It will tell me how do I want to save it. I want to save it as a PDF, EWF or a PNG. So PNG and PDF can save multiple pages. I can create, these are the pages of whiteboard. I can create multiple pages of whiteboard. This is one. One is my Hello VEZEN. Second is my annotation of the image taken from the background. Third, there is no limitation. I can go up to multiple pages. I can remove them. I can, if I have printer directly connected to it, I can directly print from the whiteboard onto a printer. And this is without the use of a laptop. You actually don't need a laptop. You can use any media playing devices to run this. Even two people can edit the whiteboard at the same time. That's okay, you can start typing. So this is an image. Now this is on the whiteboard. So as you see now, this is my third page. I actually don't need it so big, so I'm going to make it small. And then re-annotate it. I'm going to clear off what I have done and cancel. So this is the eraser. No, that's what. Gone. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to take it to another page. And I'm going to paste it. So all this you can do on a whiteboard. All the functionalities that you require for a boardroom, you can do it without actually needing to save it on a computer or a PC connected to it, directly onto a USB pen drive. So on the USB storage, you can plug in any of your pen drives and save it. Once it is saved, you can retrieve it again from the USB pen drive. Thank you. So another way or another perspective of looking at it would be, why do we want interactivity on a whiteboard for a laptop or a PC which is connected and projecting here? Is we can have people look at it, what we are doing, interactively create an experience and I can select the pictures, one, insert, much easier. Somebody can tell me, no, don't put it here, put it somewhere else. I can add slides here, new slide, title and content. All this actually can be done interactively. We can use your fingers, or we can also use pen to do it. Some people might not want to use fingers, so we can actually use pen. It is just a matter of preference. Second picture. touch control. The projector is smart. It is telling me that I'm gone into a presentation mode, so it is switching off my annotation mode. So this is one more use why in a boardroom you can have a high clarity display and do all the interactivity of a whiteboard on a single equipment. Thank you.
डन मैडम, काफी कुछ किया है, आपका एक क्लिप तो हो जाएगा.